sleeping position says about relationship with your partner. How do you like to sleep? Is your preferred position on the side, or you like to curl up in bed? Do you know what the positions mean? Read the following guide to see what sleeping positions tell about your relationship. The crab. The crab position indicates a problem when a partner needs space, while the other one needs intimacy. The cliffhanger. If you're sleeping on the opposite sides constantly, it means that there's some distance between you that needs to be resolved. If it's for just one night, you both need a good night's sleep and it's nothing to worry about. Hollywood. When the women sleep on her man's chest, it's a sign of a new relationship. Pillow talk. When you're facing each other but not touching your bodies together, it's a sign of contact and conversation. Shingles. If the woman is resting in the crevice of her partner's shoulders, it means that she's dependent on him. Lover's knot. If you're sleeping face to face and with legs intertwined until you fall asleep, it indicates independence and powerful relationship. Spoon male inside. The man needs more love and care. Spoon female inside. The man is loving and protective of his woman. Liberty. If you're sleeping back to back with your bodies avoiding each other, it's a sign of a strong connection, but also of independence. Cherish. If your backs are facing each other, but not touching, it means that you're comfortable with your partner. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.